How to use Amazon gift card. If you want to use an Amazon gift card, you first have to redeem the gift card to your Amazon account and then shop using the gift card balance. So make sure you have your claim code with you and then open your browser and go to amazon.com, or you can also launch the Amazon app. When you've done that, after you log into your account, from the top right select your profile name, and from there simply look for the option that says account and then click on the account button. From account, go to gift cards option. From gift cards option, you'll find various different options here. So here you can see the option called redeem a gift card. Click on redeem a gift card button and enter the claim code. The dashes are not required, so just type in the code normally. Hit the apply to your balance button. Depending upon the value of the gift card, you will see your balance over here, and then that balance can be used to shop for products online on Amazon. Normally during the checkout process, the gift card balance will be selected automatically during checkout. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.